Oh snap! Stay with me for the next few moments because I've got something exciting I want to share with you. I'll be right back. Okay, one of the very best business opportunities in the marketplace today. I'm going to plug this in and this video in, and stay with me because this is very powerful. If you've been looking for a great way to make some money online, to start a home-based business, then don't go anywhere. Stay with me and check this out. Okay, let's go.
Welcome to the launch of the brand new Nexus Snapp. This is the easiest and most lucrative opportunity I've seen in over 30 years. Imagine getting 25 cents, 50 cents, $1 or more cash back on every gallon of gas that you buy, up to 25% off your grocery bill, 40% off dining, 90% off prescription medications, up to 70% off all your shopping, both on and offline, and huge savings on your cell phone bill, internet, cable, electric bills, and so much more. Now, to become a premium member, it's only $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate fee. At under $10 a month, it not only pays for itself, but it can actually make you hundreds, even thousands of dollars, whether you ever refer people or not. But if you do decide to share this with others, the potential earnings can be enormous. In fact, you can make $34 on everyone you enroll, even if they join for free. No other company has that feature. Then, you'll earn an additional $25 on all your paid members. Whether it's 5, 10, 50, 100, or more, you'll get $25 on all of them. Next, you can earn up to 10 levels on everyone your people refer. So as your people refer others, that's your second level. You could have dozens, even hundreds of people on your second level alone. And as they share it with others, that's your third level. This growth continues to multiply through an entire 10 levels of referrals. When you factor in some geometric growth, there is tremendous income potential here, especially when you have an automated system that from start to finish duplicates the process over and over and over again. Next, Nexus pays an additional 20% through a one-of-a-kind, copyrighted, coded infinity bonus. Everyone who gets coded to you will randomly code 2 of their first 5 members to you, who in turn will code 2 more. This process continues on and on and on. You could ultimately be earning $2 monthly payments on an ever-expanding group of members who are literally dozens, ultimately hundreds of levels deep into your network. Plus, we don't have to stop at 5. We can share this with as many people as we want. And you get 2 new infinity pay lines from every one of them. The income generated just through the coded bonus part of the plan can be mind-boggling. Next, the instant you become a paid affiliate, you are immediately placed into the highest position available in our lucrative 3x10 force matrix. A 3x matrix means that there's 3 positions under you, and once they're filled, either by you or the people above you, everyone else will go underneath them until the 9 positions on the second level are filled. Then, everyone goes on the 3rd level until that's filled. Then the 4th level, and on through 10 levels. Now, the most you can make in this matrix without referring anyone is $2,460 a month. But that number triples with just 1 referral. And it triples again with just 5 referrals. And the exciting thing about this matrix is that you can also receive a 100% check match on all of your referrals. Meaning, if one of your referrals makes $10 in the matrix, you'll make an extra $10 on top of your matrix earnings. If they make $100 in the matrix, you'll make an extra $100 on top of your matrix earnings. If they make $1,000, you'll make an extra $1,000 on top of your matrix earnings. Whatever your referrals earn in the matrix, you will earn as well. The timing could not be better. Think about it. Who doesn't want to pay less? Simply by sharing this website, you're helping others save money and get cash back, while generating a life-changing income that can pay you for years and years to come. People are joining this program every day. Ultimately, there'll be hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of people all over the world in this company. Wouldn't you like them to be under you? The longer you wait, the further down you will be placed. The timing is not going to be any better tomorrow, next week, or next month. There will never be a better time than right now to secure your position and lock in a spot. On behalf of your sponsor, my brother and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video.
Okay, now I really want to encourage you to grab the link and take a look at this opportunity. Okay, it's absolutely free to get signed up. You can go inside, kick things around, check everything out. We've added now a wonderful travel program, okay, where you can save literally hundreds and thousands of dollars on travel and make money at the same time. There's some powerful nutritional products. I mean, everything is contained in this opportunity. If you're looking for a business opportunity where you don't have to really go anywhere else to look, then this is one of those opportunities, okay? $10 a month, $9.95 a month, and you can literally earn thousands and thousands of dollars with this opportunity. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link. As a matter of fact, I'm going to leave a couple of links in the description area of this video. Make sure that you check those links out and see what we have to offer. Check everything out, okay? And you'll see how powerful this program is. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and awesome day today. Bye-bye now.